Are you also capturing your leads from the website form and you want to track the leads and you want to add them to your CRM automatically without lifting any finger? Then this automation is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have built the connection between the website form and GoHighLevel in such a manner that whenever I receive a new form submission, automatically the lead details are added to my GoHighLevel and the contact is created. If you also want to learn how you can create this easy integration between these two applications and your website form, let's start creating this step by step from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect website form with GoHighLevel in such a manner that whenever there is a new form submission from the website form, automatically the lead is created as a contact in my GoHighLevel. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. And this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not. And when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. Here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as automatically send website leads to GoHighLevel, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as forms automation and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a contact should be created in GoHighLevel, which means whenever there will be form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking webbook by Pabbly, and in the trigger event, I'm going to select catch webbook and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and my website form, for which a webbook URL is provided to me, and this webbook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my website form with Pabbly Connect. So I am going to open the code of this particular website form in a notepad, where I'm going to insert this webbook URL. I'm going to copy this. So here I have opened the code of this form, and over here beside this fetch, you can see this webbook URL. I'm going to remove this webbook URL. I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to go towards the file, save this. In this manner, I have added the webbook URL which I was provided in the workflow over here. I'm going to go back towards my workflow. You can see this waiting for the webbook response. So now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webbook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to do a form submission, and I'm going to do a form submission. As soon as I do this, all the details should be captured here in this workflow. Now I'm going to do a form submission. Before that, I'm going to refresh this page once, and I'm going to enter my name. Please do not forget to refresh your website form, because we have made some new changes, and if you do not refresh it, you will not be able to capture the response. So I'm going to enter the phone number, and then I'm going to click on this submit now. Thank you for submitting the form. Let's open my workflow and check whether I have received any details there or not. Let's wait for the webbook response here. And 8 seconds ago, we have captured the response. This is the same phone number which we entered. The name is Smart Lead. Email address is smartlead@pabblytuge.com. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new response, I want to add that to my GoHighLevel. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for lead connector V2, and in the action event, I'm going to select create contact. You can select anything according to the requirement and then click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with lead connector V2. Now over here, I've already selected my account. I have to select the sub account on which I'm working, which is this Pabbly Connect. So I'll select that, and you will see lead connector V2 or GoHighLevel will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the details. Now over here, I'm not going to enter the details. details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To do that, I'm going to enter /go towards this response and then click on this response and enter that. In the email address, I'm going to enter this smartlead@pabblytudes.com and then I'm going to enter the phone number, which is this. I'm going to skip the rest of the fields. If you want to enter, you can do that. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'll hit save and send test request. Over here, I'm going to keep these fields as default only. If you want to change it, you can do that. And you will see a lead or a contact will be created. And here it is. We have received the response and this response is a positive one. Let me open my GoHighLevel and I will refresh this contacts page. Here I have received the details. If I open the smart lead, all the details which I have added is this. The name is smart lead, the email address is smartlead@pabblytudes.com, and this is the phone number 7676 which we have added. So in this manner, we have built the connection between this website form and GoHighLevel using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.